10 strangest planets in the known universe. What was that noise?
I don't know. It sounded like Josh was strangling
What
a cat.
noise?
Do you own any cats, Josh?
Do I own any cats?
Yeah, it sounded like you were strangling a cat.
No.
I mean, not anymore, you don't.
Yeah, it's dead.
Okay, let's start this.
Josh, what the is that?
Okay, alright, start the video. This man is almost 30.
I was being a strange planet, like an alien or something, couldn't it?
The planet J1407b is
That's Elon
located
Musk's kid,
400
innit?
light years away from Earth and boasts planetary rings that are 200 times bigger than the rings of Saturn.
Damn.
Almost as big as Simon's bumhole.
Rings of such an enormous size
That's wham!
are so large that if Saturn's rings were as large, they would dominate the Earth's sky and appear much larger than a full moon.
That's so sick.
Inside the Crux constellation, approximately 300 light-years from the Earth, lies the loneliest planet in the known universe. Cataloged as HD 106906b, this
Yeah,
planet is
geez.
11
High
times
definition.
bigger than Jupiter.
Innit?
Astronomers have dubbed this planet as a super Jupiter.
Super.
Super duper Jupiter.
Is this like definitely there though? 'Cause you see how it's 300 million light years away? By the time the light has got to us, that planet could have already died, right?
True. Might be there anymore.
Ooh.
Might have gone bum bum.
Over 750 light-years away from our solar system lies a planet known as Trace 2b,
Trace to be what?
the darkest planet known to exist. This dimly lit and menacing planet reflects less than 1% of the light that hits its atmosphere.
Damn.
This is so little light that the atmosphere of Trace 2b reflects less light than coal and black acrylic paint does. The tiny fraction of light that isn't reflected by the planet's thick and suffocating atmosphere is faintly red, causing the planet to dimly glow in an evil red color.
We should do a hide and seek on there.
Hide and
Mad.
seek on a planet. Hide and seek on the moon.
I'd do that.
Give you a vibe.
Yeah, I'd do it.
Yo, Elon, you about?
This could be the biggest hide and seek video ever.
Take a long time to find someone.
Nah, you can just jump.
Yeah, no, you got hops on the moon.
Or they hopped too far and they went.
I don't think you can hop out of the...
Gravitational pull of the moon.
Yeah.
What if you did?
Come on, Josh. You know
What if
anything
you
about
did?
physics?
What if you did?
You can't. That's like saying, what if you jump too high on Earth?
You can't.
You could.
No, but you
could get a
can't.
rocket propelled
You can't.
jetpack on your back.
Josh, what's wrong with you today?
Did you not watch on that podcast Trisha Paytas? She said that someone invented gravity once. So what was the world like before gravity was invented?
Did I not watch who?
Trisha Paytas?
Okay, there's your answer.
55 Cancri E is
It's a diamond planet.
actually just a massive diamond.
This planet can cry.
When 55 Cancri E was formed, it was
You can cry
comprised
ecstasy.
mostly of carbon, and thanks to the intense pressure and heat from its parent star, 55 Cancri E compressed
Right, we need
into
an
a
easier
massive,
name than this. It's really
unpolished
jarring me.
diamond. This diamond
quit that
planet
diamond
is so
thing.
huge that it has been valued at an incomprehensible 26.9 nonillion.
let's go get it
Now
then.
we're just making
No
things up.
nillion.
What
No
the
nillion.
fuck is that?
Let's just go
up.
get it. It's a planet bigger than Earth. That's a diamond only.
Yeah, but if we had that, surely it's...
Then diamonds
Like,
aren't
surely
valuable
it's
anymore.
not actually worth that much.
Yeah, it's
if
not.
There's that much.
No nillion, you know. Nah.
That's a made up. That's... No.
I mean, everything's made up if you're being honest.
Nah, but they're getting bored now, innit? It's like new Pokemon.
What comes after nonillion?
Squillion. Is Squillion a number?
Must be, right? Surely. Squillion.
Squillion. How much is a squillion? An indefinite, very large number.
Is nonillion just like... What is that?
There's no amounts of millions that it could be, so you just put nonillion.
30 zeros. That's in
Hang
America.
on.
In the UK, it's 54 zeros.
I was like, what?
54 zeros!
Why is it
There's
different in the
one
UK?
million.
No, that makes sense. That makes sense, because it's... A million is 6 zeros, right? And non would...
9 times 6 is 54.
You'd assume it's 9.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, maybe they're not making it up. I mean, they are, but they're
Nah, it's still stupid though, isn't it?
not. It is.
Which is only about 384 quintillion times the Earth's
We should not
GDP.
pause these videos.
Yeah.
40 light years away from Earth. And if you were still somehow able to bring the diamonds back with you, the sheer amount of diamonds you would collect from the planet would crash Earth's diamond market instantly.
Do it!
Gliese 436
Busy.
is a recently discovered ice planet that is about the size of Neptune.
Ooh.
It's so close to its parent star
Glizzy
that
planet.
its icy surface is constantly on fire all year
What?
round. How could ice, of all things, burn constantly? Well, astronomers have determined that the reason why the icy surface of Gliese 436 never melts, despite the hellish inferno on its surface, is because of gravity. The gravitational force of Gliese 436b is so strong the ice covering its surface is physically prevented from evaporating, leaving the planet perpetually enveloped in
That's
icy
cool.
flames.
Wait, what? The gravity is
So gravity's so strong it
that
pulls
the
ice
can't
down.
melt.
It can't melt.
That's cool. Can they stop being nerds and naming these planets stupid things?
You want the Simon planet?
Like, why is it Gliese 4734b? Like, why not just...
Call it Simon.
Mini Mentor.
Nah, that's dead. Like,
Mini Mentor's a good planet name, though.
Mini Minter.
Like, I think Zerka runs the planet name. Mini Minter does as well.
Hope Jizzle's not.
I'm an asteroid or something.
Bazinga could be a planet. KSI
could be one
like
of the
a
current
nerdy
planets.
one.
Yeah, one of the Niki ones.
Road to Shore. Like, W2S could be a nerdy one. Big Star 123. I mean, it could be a star. It could be a star.
It could be a star.
Calyx. That's a planet.
That's a planet.
That's a planet right there.
Calfreezy.
Randolph. That's a star. That's a star as well.
Randy.
Randy.
WASP 12b
Fucking
is
wasp.
a planet that orbits dangerously close to its parent star.
Looks like a sperm.
Slowly being eaten alive.
What?
Every orbit drags more of the planet's mass into its hungry star. And because of the immensely strong shearing gravitational force originating from its star, WASP 12b has even been distorted into an unnatural egg shape. Gliese 581c
Look at
is
this.
a planet that scientists have concluded could possibly
Nuts.
support life.
Name the next one,
But
TBJ's
Gliese 581c is no ordinary planet, and even though it could theoretically support life, it does not at all look like Earth.
There has to be aliens, you know. There's too many planets. What if there's like a alien race that lives inside the planet?
What do you mean? Inside the rock?
So we only know life as being
On the
living
surface.
inside the surface of a planet, right? But what if some of these planets that are mad hot outside, they all just house in inside? The whole like race is just inside the actual planet itself. It's hollowed out.
Or they just live in the heat.
Maybe they're just beings made of fire.
There doesn't have to be aliens.
I mean,
It would make sense, right?
The odds suggest there is, but I mean, there doesn't have to be anything.
So we were so lucky to win a sperm race, to then be born and live on this planet. Out of all the
no,
planets
that
exist in
wasn't
the
luck,
world.
Josh. I trained hard for that race.
Yeah,
Right.
that's the
And
fastest
then-
entertainer
and
in
we
the world.
decided to
Right?
sit
Come on,
here
bro.
and react to videos.
The race was worth it. Yes.
Every plant on the surface would have to use infrared light for photosynthesis, giving them a deep black color instead of green.
Ooh, that's kind of cool.
In 2008, a message was broadcasted directly at Gliese 581c in hopes of making contact with life there. The message should reach Gliese 581c in 2029.
Fuck.
Nicknamed
Oh, yeah,
Waterworld,
light years,
a
man.
planet cataloged as GJ1214b has been identified as an ocean planet that has absolutely no
I'm
land,
never going there.
Definitely has aliens in there.
Yeah, you agree, Simon. That's Fish World.
stretching all the way down into the planet's core, making GJ1214b a unique water planet.
Bare fish with light bulbs and shit. Megalodons.
Known as HD 188753,
That HD
Nah,
one.
TBJ's is definitely a planet name. I'm not having that.
MM7.
located 151 light years away, this planet's solar system has 3 stars. That means anyone standing on HD 188753 would have triple shadows, witness almost daily solar eclipses, and see a sunset no matter which direction they faced on the planet.
That's
quite
cool.
sick.
That's really cool.
Instagram would hit different.
No, it would all be the
Or
same
would it be
Would it be
planets.
boring? Yeah, everyone would have the same photos.
No, only if you visited there. If you went to HD 10421244B.
I'm not traveling, 140 light years for an Instagram post, Josh.
I think it'd be easier to just Photoshop it.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
How did they figure out all this shit, by the way?
I think it's made up. How are we exploring something a million trillion, no nillion miles away, yet we're only just discovering parts of the Earth?
Stupid.
Don't make sense. It's all fake. World's flat.
You know what? And we couldn't find that Malaysian Airlines plane ever, could we?
Did you get it? You're finding rocks no million miles away.
But you couldn't find the plane.
The plane fell off the edge of the Earth.
Guess what
Oh,
happened?
yeah, because it's flat. It's flat. It's flat. It's
Yeah.
flat.
Flat